Galaxy F34 5G. 120 Hz AMOLED, 50MP no-shake cam. Revolutionary 120 Hz AMOLED display. Enhanced 16.42 cm, 6.5-inch, FHD plus AMOLED display with 1000 nits vision booster, Gorilla Glass 5 protection. Revolutionary protection. Save your device from drops and starches. Gorilla Glass 5 protection. Revolutionary 50MP no-shake cam. Click all day long with fun filters, nightography, and single take while you go shake-free. Revolutionary nightography. Seize the night with stunning photography with auto night mode. Revolutionary breathtaking captures. The 8MP ultra-wide camera lets you capture stunning scenery where you can see the world with a 120-degree view. Revolutionary 6000 mAh battery. Binge, browse, surf, and scroll non-stop with a battery that lasts up to 2 days. Galaxy 5G, 11 bands. Enjoy internet access that is super fast, reliable, and worry-free with Galaxy 5G, 11 bands and smart hotspot. Revolutionary sound. A surround sound experience like no other with Dolby Atmos. Revolutionary updates. Keep your phone always new, always fresh with 4 Gen OS upgrades and 5 years security updates. Revolutionary clarity. Cut out all background noise and be heard loud and clear with voice focus. Revolutionary convenience. Make easy payments and secure important documents, all in one place, with the Samsung Wallet. Revolutionary security. Protect your privacy and your peace of mind with Knox Security. Revolutionary style. Flaunt your style with signature Galaxy design in 2 new colors: electric black, mystic green. Revolutionary performance. Enjoy seamless scrolling and streaming with the powerful Exynos 1280 to 5 nanometers processor. Revolutionary memory. Get more memory for more multitasking with RAM+. Revolutionary storage. More space for all your data with 8 GB per 128 GB. Get up to 1 TB additional storage on a micro SD card, so there is always room for more. In-box items. Sporting a host of exciting features, this Samsung F34 takes you to a whole new level. Enjoy a smooth viewing experience with FHD Plus and 120 Hz AMOLED display. This phone is suitable for low light conditions and doesn't harm your eyes. The phone is durable with Gorilla Glass 5 protection. Enjoy taking vivid portraits on the 50MP no-shake camera. Use the auto night mode and fun mode to your advantage and shoot mind-blowing videos with 4K resolution. Powered by a 6000 mAh mammoth battery, your phone can run for up to 2 days. Experience uninterrupted network and connectivity with the 11 5G bands. With Knox Security, 128 GB of storage capacity, a powerful Exynos processor, a Samsung Wallet convenient payment system, and more, this phone simply eases your tasks and improves your productivity.